Hello my friends and welcome to my channel. 2 eggs. Please subscribe my channel and give us a like and share the video. Thank you. 2 tablespoons of cinnamon powder. 10 grams of vanilla sugar. 10 milliliters of milk. Mix well. Take out the core of 2 bread slices. Place butter into a hot frying pan. Place the bread crust into the pan. Peel and slice 1 banana. Place the sliced banana. Add the mix of eggs. Place the core of the bread on top. Remove the excess eggs. On low heat, cook for 1 minute. Flip over. Add a bit more butter. Let it cook for another 1 minute. Enjoy!